Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar like this, and here you can find the button D&D, which stands for Do Not Disturb. So just by tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding down your finger on it you can access some of its settings, like you can enable it automatically when device is locked. You can notify about calls, you can notify about repeated calls, and you can set up a schedule for this mode, like you can set up name for it, start time, end time, and on which days it will repeat. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.